All right, so moving on a little bit here. Section 3.6, number 18. I got to flip to the page in my book here real quick. I got the slide set up, but not on the right page in the book. 3.6, number 18. All right, there we go. 3.6, number 18. There it is. So y equals the square root of x squared plus 9. And I'm going to go back and just look at version 1 and version 2 here. So version 2. Version 2 is actually my favorite of the versions. So let me just write this down a little bit here. It's important for you to attempt both versions, both doing the u substitution like they do in version 1. But I think it's also important to take a look at version 2. Well, for that matter, if one of the versions gives you trouble, you can always go back to the other version. So the derivative of a composite function says that I want to take the derivative of the outside, leave the inside alone, and multiply that by the derivative of the inside, g prime of x. So that is the chain rule version 2. So this is my chain rule version 2 right here. So we just need to use that. So you just got to look at this function and say, well, I wonder what is the outside function, what is the inside function. Those are the two things that I really need to figure out here. Let's see here. So the outside function is really the square root. The inside function is the x squared plus 9. So really, if you think of that outside function as kind of x to the 1/2, then what I would say is the derivative of the outside, and I sometimes do this, I'll take that square root, I'll just rewrite that as the square root of x. Well, the square root of x can be rewritten as, the derivative of that could be rewritten as the derivative of x to the 1/2, which is equal 1/2 x to the minus 1/2. So that's how I would probably go about writing that for right now. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's say that y prime is equal to the derivative of the outside, which is 1/2, times x, but x in this case is x squared plus 9 to the minus 1/2, times the derivative of the inside. So the derivative of x squared plus 9 is just 2x. And wondering if there's anything else I can do here. Well, x squared plus 9 to the negative 1/2, that puts this stuff in a square root in the denominator. So y prime equals 1 over 2 square root of x squared plus 9 times 2x, which actually it does a little bit more for us here. It's actually going to be 2x over 2 root x squared plus 9, which also is nice because it gets rid of the 2's. So my final answer for that derivative winds up being x over the square root of x squared plus 9. That is my derivative using the chain rule.